Hey friends, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you step by step how to upload file in Printful. So friends, actually it is easy steps you can do. Just open your Printful account and go to the file library, this option. Click this option guys, and from here you see guys this option file library here. You can drag your file here as a PNG or a JPG format, and make sure guys you have this size 13 centimeter and 12 and 1500 pixel and 3000 pixel with 150 dpi. Click import file and choose your file on your computer. Then click for example this one guys, and then you will see start up to your file. Just wait to complete your file, and you can also drop file from Dropbox. So this is how you can do guys. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like, give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Keep watching.